This is the Portland Police Bureau on behalf of the Gresham Police Department. Gresham Police are enlisting public assistance in locating a 41-year-old male, Kai Santos. The staff at Santos Care Facility in the 400 block of Northeast 5th Street reported his absence at 9 a.m. on Saturday, November 8, 2025. Santos is a double amputee and quadriplegic and unable to care for himself. He has close-cropped black hair and brown eyes, and is described by his family as a Filipino male who needs a wheelchair and assistance from someone at all times. It is believed that Santos scheduled a medical transport for himself using Ride to Care, but his family was unable to confirm where he was taken. Anyone who knows of Santos' whereabouts is advised to call 911 or the Portland Police Bureau non-emergency at 503-823-3333.